Welcome back guys. So in our previous video we have talked about types of trace files. So now we are going to talk about the location. Okay, so trace files are stored in automatic diagnostic repository. You can use this script, select name or value or anything. Again, there are so many parameters in v dollar diag info view. You can use this parameter to query the location, everything about trace files. Okay, I'll show you how to use this parameter and how to query this when we are doing in lab. Okay, I'll show you there, but you can use, just keep in mind that you can use this parameter and use this query for the location of finding the location of trace files. Okay, the output should be like this: name and value. Like DAG trace should be U01 app Oracle DAG RDBMS and then your DB name and then trace files. This is the general path, like the default path, or you can say that this particular path you can use, generic use path. Okay, for trace location of trace file. So we have earlier talked about how to enable SQL session of a SQL trace for a particular session, user session. We can use that. Like that's quite easy. We just need to uh, use this alter session set SQL trace is equal to true. Then the trace file for a particular user session will be enabled. We can run few queries or anything. If you want to test, we can run the queries, and then we can, with the same query, we can use false and we can disable the trace files for that session. So by this we can enable or disable the trace files. Okay, so in our next video, no, we'll talk about how to view the trace files and what are the common trace files issues. Okay, so let's talk about in these in next video. Thank you.